In the previous episode, Jay stole money from the evil boss and escaped on a boat. The evil boss built the wave machine to sink Jay's boat. The wave machine caused Jay to lose money into the ocean, but Jay was still lucky to survive. What will the evil boss do next to sink Jay's boat? How to build the water pump. Step 1. Build the beverage pump. Add water pipe. Propeller. Add the engine, put in the tank. Add the battery. Add water. Beyond the sea.
You think I've already lost?
The water pump.
I'll see what game you're playing. Oh no, is he trying to sink me? Fool, I have repaired my boat. You can't sink my boat. The seawater is so refreshing.
You idiot.
Find another way to destroy his boat now, or I'll kill you.
Yes, sir.
How to build the machine gun. Add the bullets. Step 3. Complete assembly.
Another machine will also be useless.
The machine gun.
Start shooting. I will make you fail once again. Shoot me, shoot me.
You've lost. Easy as pie.
What's going to happen?
Where am I? How did I end up drifting on this boat?
Huh?
The shark is attacking my boat. I need a tool to move my boat.
How to build 3-blade fan. Add 3 blades. The ping pong ball isn't moving.
Let's start. The fan is at full speed. My boat hasn't budged an inch.
Its diminutive size and limited blade count make it ill-equipped for such a task.
It's just me and the sea. So scary. I need to find help soon. Oh no, help me! Hoping for a miracle or a guiding light. I have a plan.
How to build a single blade fan. Step 1. Build the fan's body and base. Step 2. Build the fan's blade. Step 3. Complete fan's assembly. Let's test. Great!
We're sailing smooth thanks to a fan. Wow, the boat is moving too slowly. I need a fan with stronger wind power.
How to build the table fan. Step 1. Build the fan case. Step 2. Add 6 fan blades. Step 3. Build the vertical spindle. Add the gears. Step 4. Complete assembly. I'm on the right track.
Let's make some waves. Thanks to the powerful push from the 6-wave fan, moving forward. The boat approaches shore. Wow, there it is. Riches bring bliss.
It's $20 for the laundry service.
Here you go.
Have a good day. What? Don't know what's in this.
Help me clean these socks up. I will pay more money.
Sign Santa. These socks are large. Oh no, I need to use the large washing machine. I need a help.
What do I need to with these socks?
We have a big order. Use the large washing machine to wash them. Let me handle. How to build a large washing machine. Step 1. Install the washing machine. Step 2. Test the washing machine. Let's go. Step 3. Install wastewater lines. Step 4. Operability of washing machine. Let's go.
They are so dirty.
Add water. Add washing powder.
Look, this sock is all clean.
Boss, I washed all the socks.
Santa Claus just passed by, right?
Really?
Hey, but what about the money?
Hello.